In this episode, we're going to be choosing the hover over effects for your dynamic widgets. Now, widgets are those feeds that pull in content from around your website. It could be a news feed, an events feed, a products feed, even galleries. Now, when users hover over those particular pages or those particular images, a hover over effect will appear. Now, in this episode, we're going to be choosing that hover over effect. Now, you can have more than one. We're just going to choose a collection of hover over effects so that when our content team set up each widget on each page, they can choose the selections that we make in this episode.